Hey guys, update on the concrete pad. So the concrete's now been down for 2 months. We've been doing other projects around the place. We're now on the steel work. So before we show you that, I want to just show you the pad and how it's turned out. So the carport area and the end outdoor area haven't been concreted. That's going to be done once the house is built, just to try and save damaging it. The colour we've put through is iguana, so that's all the way through the concrete, even into the footings. The finish we're hoping to get is going to be a marbly matte finish on the concrete right the way through the house. So now we're at this stage here. We're onto the steel work. We've laid, I don't know if you can see where our columns are going to sit. We've done that right across the whole pad. It was suggested we do that to get all of our steel measurements correct. It's very hard actually to get the steel measurements from the plans. We found it way better to put where all the columns are going to go on the ground and then measure all of our beams that are going to be in. Then you can get it right to the closest millimetre, and that was suggested to us by a good friend. So we're very grateful for that. So there it is. One pad. Cheers.